In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reuse a clip in InVideo by exporting it and uploading it into another project. Here's the situation. In InVideo, you can't simply copy a clip from one project to another. That means if you've built a great intro, outro, or any segment you want to use repeatedly, you need a reliable workaround. The good news is there's a clean, predictable method that works every time. Create a separate project just for that clip, export it, and then upload the exported file into your new project. Start by logging into your InVideo account so you're ready to work. If you already have a clip you want to reuse buried inside a larger project, resist the urge to duplicate the whole thing. Instead, create a dedicated project specifically for that reusable element. Think of it like building a master version of your intro or outro. Keep it self-contained, include any text, logos, music stings, transitions, and timing exactly the way you want them to appear anywhere else. Making this clip modular now will save you time on every future video. Once your reusable clip is set, it's time to export. Choose export settings that match the projects you typically create, especially the aspect ratio and resolution. For example, if your main videos are 1920 by 1080, export this clip the same way so it drops into place without scaling. Give the file a clear name so you can find it later, and let the render finish completely before moving on. If your clip includes audio, make sure levels are balanced to avoid sudden volume jumps when you combine it with other footage. Now open the new project you're working on and upload the exported clip. You can add it to your media library and then place it on your timeline where it belongs, often right at the beginning for intros or at the end for outros. Trim only if you need to fit a specific timing, and keep an eye on transitions so the clip blends smoothly with the surrounding content. If color grading or filters are applied to your main project, consider whether you want those affecting the reusable clip or if it should remain exactly as exported. That's the full workflow. You can't copy clips directly between projects in InVideo, but by keeping your reusable elements in their own project, exporting them once, and uploading them into any new project, you build a repeatable system. Over time, you'll create a tidy library of high-quality intros, outros, and segments you can drop in and go.